Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Talks That Change Your Day. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about something that can make your whole day lighter, calmer, and a little brighter.
And I'm Imran. I'm here with my tea, my thoughts, and my habit of interrupting at the worst moments.
That's true, but we love your interruptions. They make the conversation real.
Okay, listeners, today we're going to share ideas that can truly change your day. Not big ideas, not heavy ideas, just simple, gentle truths that help you breathe better and think clearer.
Exactly. No pressure. Just good talk. Part 1. The one sentence that can change everything. I want to start with something that helped me last week. It's one simple sentence. I don't have to solve everything today.
Oh. That's soft but powerful.
Right? I was overwhelmed, tired, and stressed. My mind was full of problems. But then I said this one sentence, and everything inside me got quiet.
Because the mind wants to fix everything now. But the heart just needs space.
Exactly. And sometimes the best thing you can do is allow yourself to be human.
What a thought. A human, not a machine.
A human who can pause. A human who can rest. A human who does not have to carry the whole world today. Part 2. The pressure to be fine.
Can I say something?
Always.
I think one thing that ruins our day is the pressure to always be fine.
Yes. The fake smile. The I'm okay. The no, really, I'm fine.
But inside, we're tired. Hurt. Confused. Overthinking.
And the pressure to pretend makes everything worse.
Sometimes the most healing thing is saying, I'm not okay right now, but I'm trying.
That sentence is so honest, so brave, so human.
It takes courage to be real.
Part 3. A story to think about. I want to tell you a short story for listening practice. Let's call it The Day That Turned Around. The day that turned around. Ollie wakes up tired. He didn't sleep well. He feels heavy and stressed. On his way to work, he thinks, today is going to be a bad day. He feels annoyed. He feels slow. He feels negative. But at lunch, something small happens. A coworker gives him a cup of tea. A small kindness. A small moment. Ollie smiles. Something inside him warms. He thinks, maybe today is not so bad. After work, he helps an old man cross the road. The old man says, "Thank you, son. You made my day." Ollie realizes something powerful. One small moment can change a whole day.
I love that story. It's so simple and so true.
Because sometimes life doesn't change through big events. It changes through small moments.
A kind word. A deep breath. A cup of tea. A smile. A thought that feels soft.
Exactly. Part 4. What you feed your mind shapes your day.
Can I share my favorite idea?
Please.
Our mind is like a house. Every day, thoughts knock on the door. Some thoughts are kind. Some thoughts are scary. Some thoughts are lies. But guess what? You decide who comes inside.
That's so true.
If you let in angry thoughts, your home becomes dark. If you let in hopeless thoughts, your home becomes heavy. If you let in gentle thoughts, your home becomes peaceful.
Let me add something. You don't have to open the door to every thought.
Yes. Exactly.
Just because a thought knocks, doesn't mean you must believe it.
Thoughts are guests. You are the owner of the home.
Part 5. The voice you listen to. You know what else changes your day?
What?
The voice you listen to inside your mind.
Ah yes, the two voices.
The first voice is the critic. It says, "You're not enough. You're late. You failed. Everything is wrong."
That voice is loud. Very loud.
But then there's another voice. The gentle one. The wise one. It says, "You are trying. You are learning. You are doing your best. You will be okay."
And that voice whispers.
Yes, we must choose to listen. Part 6. A 1-minute reset.
Let's do a small exercise for everyone listening.
Good idea.
Okay, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. In. Out. Now repeat softly. I don't need to rush today. I can move slowly. I choose peace over pressure. I can start again, anytime.
That's beautiful. You can always start again, even in the middle of the day. Part 7. The day is not over. Sometimes we say, "My day is ruined."
Yes, we say it so easily.
But your day is not a glass that breaks. It's a river. It keeps flowing.
If the morning was bad, the afternoon can be gentle. If the afternoon was heavy, the evening can be soft. If the evening is stressful, the night can be peaceful.
No day is fully ruined unless you stop giving it a chance.
I love that. Give your day a second chance.
Part 8. The power of one kind thought. Here's something that changed my days. Every morning I ask myself one question. What is one kind thing I can do for myself today?
That's so sweet. What kind of things?
Small things. Drinking water. Sitting in sunlight for 1 minute. Listening to one calm song. Saying good job to myself. Taking a slow breath before reacting.
These are tiny, but powerful.
Yes. A small kindness to yourself creates big peace. Part 9. A second story for listening practice.
I also brought a story.
Oh yes, tell us.
Story, the moment that saved the day. Mina is having a bad morning. She misses her bus. She spills water on her shirt. She forgets her lunch. She feels terrible. She thinks, today is going to be the worst day. But in the afternoon, something simple happens. She sees a child laughing. A loud, pure, happy laugh. Mina smiles. Her heart feels lighter. Later, she listens to her favorite song. The melody comforts her. She thinks, "My day is not perfect, but it is not ruined." She learns something new. Bad moments do not make a bad day.
That story is precious.
Because sometimes all you need is one moment, one sound, one smile, one thought, to turn everything around.
Part 10. What really makes a day better? Let's list simple things that can change your day.
Sure.
A deep breath. A glass of water. Forgiving yourself. Moving slowly. Letting go of one expectation. Talking to a friend. Stepping outside for 1 minute. Smiling at yourself in the mirror. Saying it's okay. I'm trying.
Yes. And sometimes the thing that changes your day is this. Stopping the fight inside your mind.
True. When the mind relaxes, the whole day relaxes. Part 11. Messages to the listener. To everyone listening right now, you don't have to be perfect today.
You don't have to carry everything alone.
You don't have to fix your whole life in one afternoon.
You just have to be gentle with yourself.
One gentle thought, one gentle action, one gentle moment,
and your whole day can change.
Thank you for joining today's episode of Talks That Change Your Day.
We hope these words made your day a little softer, a little calmer, and a little kinder.
Remember, your day can change at any moment.
Sometimes it changes the moment you change your thoughts.
Take a breath. Reset. Start again.
See you in the next episode.